Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about 2006 AMC 12A problem 24. The expression x plus y plus c to the power of 2006 plus x minus y minus c to the power of 2006 is simplified by expanding it and combining like terms. How many terms are there in the simplified expression? So we can use the multinomial theorem, which is a generalization of the binomial theorem. So the first term in this expression can be written as the sum of 2006 factorial over a factorial b factorial c factorial times um, x a b x a y b z c, where a plus b plus c add up to 2006. And the second term can be written as the sum of where a plus b plus c add up to 2006 of 2006 factorial over a factorial b factorial c factorial of xa negative yb negative zc. So for the sum of these two terms, either because the coefficients are the same, so either the term doubles or it cancels out with the negatives. So we want to find, after subtracting the terms that cancel, how many terms are left. So the total number of terms in this expansion is 2006 plus 2, choose 2, because that's the number of terms, that's the number of ways to have a plus b plus c, where a, b, and c are non-negative integers add up to 2006, and it's the stars and bars method. So if you calculate this value out, you'll get that it's equal to 20,150,000 and 2,015,028. And now we want to find how many terms cancel out. So in order for the terms to cancel out, either B is odd or C is odd. So let's first do the cases where B is odd and then multiply by 2 to account for when C is odd. So B could be 1, 3, 5, etc., all the way up to 2005. And so when when B is 1, C could be any value from 0 to 2005, except it has to be even. So an even value from 0 to 2004, and that gives 1003 options. And for 3, B equals 3, C has to be an even value from 0 to 2003. So that gives 1002 options, etc., all the way up to 2005, which gives one option. So the total sum of all of these values is 1004. And the number of terms, it's the odd numbers from 1 to 2005. So there's going to be 1003 over 2. And except we're multiplying by 2 here. So we just multiply by 2. So the number of terms that cancel out would be 1004 times 1003. So the number of terms that remain, or the total number of terms in the simplified expression, is 2,015,028 minus 1004 times 1003. And when you multiply it out, you'll get that the answer is D. Thank you.